Are disagreements over money, management, or the future of your business causing serious problems in your partnership? Partnership disputes can arise for many different reasons, from disagreements over money, management, to more serious issues of misconduct. And we have a separate video that explores these common causes in detail. When a professional relationship that you've worked hard to build starts to fracture, it's natural to feel stressed and uncertain about what to do next. My name is Jack Diggines, and I'm an associate solicitor in Myerson's Commercial Litigation team. And over the next couple of minutes, I'll give you a clear and simple roadmap for what happens when a dispute arises so that you can feel more in control of the situation. So, where do you begin? Your first port of call is always a partnership agreement. Think of it as the official rulebook for your business. It should clearly set out how to handle disagreements, manage a partner's exit, and value the business. If you don't have a written partnership agreement, your partnership will likely be governed by the default rules in the Partnership Act of 1890. These rules are very rigid and often lead to outcomes that you might not want, which is why getting early legal advice is so important. Understanding your agreement is the foundation for everything that follows, and for this, we've created a helpful video on identifying a partnership, which you can also find on our website. Once you understand your legal position, the next stage is to formally explore a resolution. Now, this doesn't automatically mean heading straight to court. In fact, the goal is to avoid that. The first practical step is often a carefully drafted letter to the other partner which outlines the issues and proposes a sensible way forward. That may lead to a process of negotiation and possibly mediation. At the appropriate time, mediation can be an incredibly effective and popular way to resolve a dispute. It is a confidential and collaborative process where a neutral expert, the mediator, helps you and your partners negotiate a solution that works for everyone. If your dispute is not resolved through agreement, then court proceedings or arbitration may be necessary. But it's crucial to see this as a last resort and not the first step. So, what does a successful resolution actually look like? Well, depending on the situation, it could mean one partner buying out another partner's share. In other cases, it might involve restructuring the business to resolve issues around profit share or responsibility. But sometimes a new agreement is reached to allow everyone to move forward together. And as a final option, the partnership can be dissolved entirely, with the assets divided up and distributed among the partners. Disputes don't have to mean the end, and if you're involved in a partnership dispute and are concerned about what to do next, we are here to talk through your options and discuss how we can help. You can contact our team of experts at 0161 941 4000 or email lawyers@myerson.co.uk.